Hey guys, my name is Elijah and this is Voicemod Beta on Mac review. So first thing you will notice is in this beta you will have this banner, welcome to Voicemod. So this is pretty nice. Then down here you have content creation and it will give you voices. So let's say I can pick this one and I am now in cave as you can hear, or I can do magic chords as you can hear. I will turn it off for now, but the point is you are now in Discover tab and you can discover some things. You have, it's pretty much like Facebook page or something. You have voices, sounds, voice mode collections, learning, or socials. Then you have this search bar. You can search for any effect you want in here. Then you have favorites. As you can see, I have clean. So when I switch to clean, you can hear my clean voice and my enhanced voice right now. So you can add to favorites by tapping this heart on any effect or sound you want. Then you have collections, and these are voice mode collections. This is basically all Voicemod offers you on Mac in beta right now. You can scroll it through and look it up. Most of them are locked behind these paywalls, so you have to pay to their subscription to unlock these sounds. And down here you have custom collections, so you can create two collections. You can also rename them and you can upload your own sounds by uploading here and choosing your sounds. Then you can go over to settings, and here you don't have really much settings. You can just choose your microphone, headphones, and choose if you want to launch on startup and your default voice. Then you have option to log out on your profile. Down here you can alter your settings on your current voice effect, and here you can turn off and on your voice changer. Here you can hear yourself if you press it. And that's basically it, guys. What would I tell you? It is not the best thing I have ever seen, but it works. It's especially really surprising that beta works this well. As you can hear now, this entire tutorial was used by this voice changer. So you can really play with this and get different effects. So it's really easy like that. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thank you again. Bye bye.